Jackson Rc. We're here today again with, we're not going to do a whole lot of unboxing. We're just going to show you something. The Night Timber 1.2 millimeter
Timber X.
Night Timber X stol and 3D airplane, and it's pretty much for intermediate pilots. And as you can see, the box. It's been out for a while.
Beginner could fly it though.
Yeah.
Got saved.
That's safe, which we ain't going to use. And stand by.
Go.
Alright, we're back. Comes with the manual, which we'll probably look at it. Anyway, just make sure you check that out. We've had timber, we have all of them. All the damn timbers. I don't know how many timbers you need, but this one got some lights on it, so we decided to go with this. Okay. Almost, yeah, just a different color, isn't it? Huh?
Got lights on it.
Yeah. Whole lot of damn wires. Alright. There's that. Then you have your elevators. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Nice wings. Got all kinds of wires. Good luck.
Yeah, plug them into the connector.
Yeah. Wheels. There's the other wing. What is that? Okay. Both sets of wheels. Oh, that's right.
Elevator.
That. You got some for your wings and some other little things here. Okay. And of course your prop here. So, what do you think, buddy? We'll do that.
Why you can run a 3 blade?
I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna pause it and then we'll get things done. Okay, we're back. I'm trying to set up mode now. As you can see, we're getting it together. Look at this mess in here. We got wires everywhere, but it's coming along. Coming along. Yep. We'll have one plane before it's over. Let's see what I get there. Anyway, be right back. Okay, we're back. Tested out everything. The ailerons. The elevator rudder. Got the lights.
Check the motors. Oh yeah.
See if the motor's going backwards. It's coming this way. Huh?
Did it work? Did you know what? Is the wind going that way?
Yeah. Do a little more. Yeah.
How? No.
Huh? Going that way.
I did it.
Oh, you did reverse?
Yeah.
Oh, you doing the reverse. Oh, that's why. Okay. You got it back on the other one? Okay.
And a motor brake.
Gotcha. All right, that's
So
the.
whenever you try to tighten it, it kept trying to stop it.
All right. What's your you haven't did it?
No go.
You haven't done no set. We don't want no flaps anyway. We know flaps it. All right. That's it. Flight will be next. See ya.